What are we doing today?
Oh, well, we're putting in the window trims here in the front room. We're doing it here out of some one by material. Get a little bit of a nice windowsill and stuff. We're gonna stain this probably like a pecan darker color. Get it looking nice. But yeah, trimming out the windows. Looks good. Okay, here we are. We're staining all of our pieces. Staining that pecan, right? English chestnut. This is all the window sills and the window trims for the family room area. Yeah, we're getting them all stained up. Let it sit for a minute and I wipe them down. Letting it off gas overnight so we'll have an easy install tomorrow morning. What do you think, babe? Yeah. She's got her gas mask on. Yeah, fumes are strong. Oh. All right, guys. Stay tuned. Hey, good morning. Well, we got all of our trim up on the windowsills. Boy, what a difference trim makes around the house. Yeah, really dressed it up nice. Yeah, we got some trim going on, got a little bit of touch-up work, but we like this over here. Well, we got a question for everybody on the other side. Okay, well here's the other side. We got everything all trimmed out over here, but notice we got some nice beef down here on the bottom windowsill. Thinking of maybe possibly making this a little bit wider.
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you think out there?
I think it should be wider, but
Yeah.
I mean, it still looks really good.
We'll take everyone's vote. We'll see what we need to do, but we can easily change that out. But
Let's check out the other
Yeah.
one.
yep, got room for plants and all kinds of stuff. We got good western sun over here.